Okay, so this is 2020 paper 1. Yeah? So let's start with question 1. Which of the following is an expression for the first derivative with respect to x of x cubed minus 5x squared divided by 2x square root of x? So it seems like there's a massive fraction going on, right? So what's the first thing we do when we differentiate these sort of, polynomial stuff, let's say? We convert it into power form, right? That's the first thing. Don't even think of, oh my god, quotient rule. Yeah, none of that. Don't panic. Just divide through. So what do? So if I have to convert this guy into power form, first of all, we've got to separate it into two fractions, yeah? So we could consider them separately. So this guy and then minus 5x squared divided by 2x squared of x, yeah? Okay, so x times square root of x, this is just x to the 3 halves, right? So if I have x cubed divided by x to the 3 halves, what am I left with? So laws of indices, yeah, 3 minus 3 halves is 3 halves, right? So x to the 3 halves divided by 2. Yeah, that's my first fraction. Second guy, minus, again, x squared, that's power 2, and then down below is x to the power 3 halves, so 2 minus 3 halves, that's 1 half, right? So this is 5 over 2, x to the 1 half. Good, so now we can differentiate, yeah? Now we can differentiate, so let's call this guy f, then f prime is 3/4 x to the 1 half, yeah, differentiation rules, minus 5/4 x to the negative half. Alright, good. Okay, so and then at the end we have to make it into one fraction, yeah, because you see all the answers are in one fraction. So we have to get rid of the negative power, yeah? So I'm gonna put this over square root of x. Yeah, so then the first guy becomes 3/4 times x, yeah, because x to the 1 half times square root of x, that's just x, yeah, minus 5 over 4 without the negative power anymore. Alright? Good. Okay, so at the end, we also take the 4 down. Yeah, we also take the 4 down. So 3x minus 5 over 4 square root of x. There we are. Yeah? So the answer would be C.